Domain 1, Part 6, Document Intelligence. That is also known as the form recognition. Form recognizer is the something in which a form is there. It can be PDF, it can be text, and that form the recognizer and you can say document intelligence user AI extract the unstructured data into the structured format, such as the PDF, Excel, or CSV. For example, if you have a doctor prescription, then it will convert into the Excel format, and what is the prescription medicine are there that will be listed in the medicine part, right? Another example is there if there is the you have a any invoice of this year, you have any receipt. So if you want to extract that document, invoice number, date, amount, vendor name, you can scan that document and it will analyze that document and convert all the values in their separate columns. This is a form recognition. Digitalizing and the processing handwriting feedback form for the customers. This is also the part of the form recognition. In this handwriting, we can recognize by the form filled by the customer. Parsing content and identify key terms like renewal date or penalties. That is also part of the form recognition. In the content, complete content, it can identify what exactly the form it is. It is the related to the penalty or renewal process. Now it's a summary. Summary, we can go with the rapid definition and understanding. Computer vision, by which we can understand the images and video, right? For example, face recognition, OCR. Speech, in speech, we can understand and generate the spoken language. That is a voice command and transcription, right? Transcription. NLP, natural language processing, understand and generate the text, that is chatbot and sentiment analysis. Translation, convert the language automatically in the real-time language translation. Personalization, customize user experiments like Netflix recommendation, Flipkart or Amazon recommendation. Document intelligence, that is extract the document and give the proper like invoice, receipt, medicines, that is all.